If you're having a problem with your leg rest not locking into the first and second height positions, your 3-position lock system has gone bad and you will need to replace it. Today, we're going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you'll want to do when replacing your 3-position locks is remove the back from the base. You'll flip the locks in the upright position. Put your foot on the base, grab both sides of the back, and slide up. Set this to the side. Once the back is removed, you'll roll it over onto the top of the unit, on top of the arms all the way over. All right, in order to remove your 3 positions, you'll grab it from the bottom side here, pull out, and up, and it'll slide right out of position. You'll take the same process in removing and installing the left side also. So up and out. Each one of these locks has an L or an R on the inside to let you know what side of the unit it goes on. In order to replace it, you'll take it in the side position here. Line your holes up on the mechanism. Once you put it into place, put it in. Clip it down, then you'll pull the front of it down to get the teeth to lock around the underside of the mech. Take the new one, line it up with the holes, push in and down. Then you'll take the front of the piece, bend it down into place where it clips around the mech. All right, and it was that easy to do the repair yourself. If you have any more questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.